Welcome back to the channel, your ultimate destination for luxury cars and the latest in automotive news. In today's video, we're going to explore the 2025 Kia Seltos, explore exterior, interior, under to the hood, safety features, performance and price, all about in detail. Watch to end. If you are new in this channel, let's first subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes, a compact SUV that's turning heads with its updated features, stylish design, and advanced technology. Whether you're looking for an affordable yet high-performance ride or a vehicle that blends comfort with capability, the 2025 Seltos offers all that and more. The 2025 Kia Seltos continues to impress with its sleek and modern design, offering a bold new front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more refined overall look. The distinctive tiger nose grille is still a prominent feature, while the slim and angular headlights give the Seltos a more aggressive, dynamic feel. The side profile showcases a sporty stance with bold lines that highlight its SUV pedigree, and the rear end has been updated with sharper taillights and a more refined bumper. Overall, the 2025 Seltos has a more premium feel than its predecessors, making it a standout in the crowded compact SUV segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Seltos offers a variety of powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. The base engine is a 2.0-litre four-cylinder that delivers a solid 146 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, for smooth driving and great fuel efficiency. For those who want more performance, Kia offers a 1.6-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 175 horsepower. This engine comes mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing quick shifts and a more engaging driving experience. Both engines are available with front-wheel drive, with all-wheel drive offered as an option for those looking for better traction and off-road capability. The Seltos offers a balanced ride, combining smooth highway cruising with the ability to take on tougher roads when needed. Inside, the 2025 Kia Seltos offers a spacious, tech-focused cabin that's perfect for long drives or urban commuting. The interior layout has been designed for maximum comfort and convenience, with a spacious dashboard featuring a large 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This system integrates seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected no matter where the road takes you. The Seltos also features a fully digital instrument cluster on higher trims, which adds a futuristic touch to the interior. For those who appreciate premium audio, a Harman Kardon sound system is available, ensuring an immersive listening experience every time you hit the road. Comfort is key inside the Seltos, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, while the rear seats offer ample legroom, making it a great choice for families or anyone who regularly carries passengers. The cabin materials are top-notch, with soft touch surfaces and high-quality finishes that make it feel more upscale. The Seltos also offers generous cargo space, with the rear seats folding down to provide a flat-load floor for larger items, making it practical for everything from groceries to outdoor gear. Safety is always a priority for Kia, and the 2025 Seltos is no exception. It comes equipped with a wide range of advanced driver assistance features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Higher trims also include a surround view camera system, which helps with parking and tight maneuvers, as well as rear cross-traffic alert. The Seltos has earned high safety ratings in crash tests, making it a top choice for those who want peace of mind on the road. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Kia Seltos is an excellent value for what it offers, with a starting price of around $24,000 for the base model. This includes the 2.0-liter engine, front-wheel drive, and a well-equipped interior with all the basics. The higher trims, including the Seltos X and SX, which come with the more powerful turbocharged engine, advanced features, and all-wheel drive, will push the price up to about $28,000 to $32,000. For those who want a fully loaded Seltos with all the bells and whistles, including the top-tier safety features and premium tech, the price may reach closer to $35,000. Given its combination of style, technology, and performance, the 2025 Kia Seltos offers great value compared to its rivals in the compact SUV market. And that's a wrap for our in-depth review of the 2025 Kia Seltos. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more exciting reviews, automotive news, and all things car related. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.